Today we're featuring a 2016 Honda Pilot EXL with navigation. It's got 21,000 miles on it. It is a certified Honda. All right, it's got a clean Carfax, one owner. It's modern steel metallic in color. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Start here on the driver's side. Everything's in good shape. All right, it does have rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. All right, it does have the lock unlock buttons on the driver's side and passenger side. It also has your blind spot monitoring camera. We'll show you that on the inside. And it's also equipped with the sunroof as well. All right, everything on the exterior of this Pilot's in good shape. No problems. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. I got black and gray door panels, power windows, power locks. Got your power mirrors over here with your econ button and your blind spot monitoring button, and we'll show you that in a second. Gray leather power driver seat. Leather's in good shape. It does have the sunroof, so showed you that from the outside. There's your inside shot of it. All right, it does come with a keyless entry key fob with remote start. And you do have a little bit of storage right here in the console, which houses your power outlet and your auxiliary plug and USB. Passenger seat leather's in great shape. No problem there. It is an automatic. Got your heated seats. And then over here we've got another power outlet with 2 more USB ports. Dual climate controls, push button start. Got your backup camera and navigation and touch screen right there, and we'll show you that in a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Okay, it's got 21,374 miles. And now that we've got it started up, we'll go ahead and show you your navigation. Let me dim that down just a bit. There we go. All right, there's your navigation. It's your backup camera. All right, and also your blind spot monitoring. Alright, let's get it back to your home page. Alright, and you got different apps you can scroll through. Alright, and you got your dual climate controls, push button start, and heated seats. Alright, air conditioner's blowing cold, no problem there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Back seat leather's in great shape. It is a 3rd row Honda. Okay, it's got 3 rows of seats. This is the 2nd row. Got the center console that comes down with the cup holders. Okay, you got your back seat air conditioning and heat. So I'll get a little closer shot for you there. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at your 3rd row. And a really cool feature about this Honda, see this button here? Alright, that's going to make the seats go forward for you. There's also a button right behind the seat here. You push that button, seats slide forward. 3rd row leather. It's in great shape. Alright, let me go ahead and walk around on that passenger side over there. Open up the door so we can let a little bit more light in. It's a little hard to see those 3rd row seats. Brightens it up a little bit. And same thing over here. You got the button back here. You simply push that button. Seat comes sliding forward. And 3rd row leather looks like nobody's even sat back there. It's in great shape. Okay, let's go ahead and check out the back here. Alright, you got a decent amount of room. Okay, when you have that 3rd row seat up, it does cut into the room a little bit. Simply pull these down. Seats will go forward. Alright, then you got the nice plastic liner back here. But you can see how much that opens it up back there. Plenty of space back here now. Does have the convenient power outlet here and some extra storage on each side. Alright, pull this up and you got even more storage under here. Alright, it does have the power lift gate. Simply press the button. Nice and slow coming down. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. Let's see See, we've got 18-inch alloys. Tires are still in great shape. Plenty of tread left on them. All right, once again, it's a 2016 certified Honda Pilot EXL with navigation, clean Carfax, one owner, only 21,000 miles on it. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.